How to use FanDuel's cash out feature, instructions on settling bets before an event concludes. Now, FanDuel's cash out feature gives you the flexibility to settle your bets before an event concludes, offering a degree of control over your wagers. Now, to understand what it is, basically it allows you to receive a payout on your bet before the event finishes. The amount you receive will vary based on the current state of the event and the likelihood of your bet winning. Now, to use the cash out feature, simply check for your active bets by going to My Bet section from your Sportsbook and looking at your active bets over here. If the cash out option is available for your bet, you will see a cash out button and the current cash out value. You can review the cash out value, confirm your cash out, and the funds will be credited to your FanDuel account. This way, you will be able to use the cash out feature on FanDuel Sportsbook. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.